Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Sita Ratnam, Associate Professor, Lindy Institute of Engineering and Technology. In last class, we have discussed the functions of individual parts of a computer. Okay, so in the last class, we discussed about functional blocks of any basic computer. Okay, now we will discuss about bus structures. Okay, so today we will discuss about bus structures. So first of all, what is bus? What is the purpose of bus in the system? And how many types of buses available in the system? Okay, so so to form an operational system, the basic functional parts or the basic blocks must be connected in some organized way. There are many ways of doing this. So, many ways we have to organize functional blocks. So, we consider the simplest and most common of these here. To achieve a reasonable speed of operation, a computer must be organized so that all its units can handle one full word of data at a given time. Okay, so when a word of data is transferred between units, all its bits are transferred in parallel. That is, the bits are transferred simultaneously over many wires or lines. One bit per a line. Okay, so a group of lines that serves as a connecting path for several devices is called a bus. So, what is bus? What is bus? A group of lines that serves as a connecting path for several devices is called a bus. Okay, so the bus having many lines or wires. By using these lines, we have to transfer one bit at a time. Okay, so through these lines, we have to carry data or information or address or control signals. Okay, so actually the bus having three lines: address line, data line, and control line. Okay, so by using address line, we have to place the device address on the address line. Okay, so data line, next one, data line. So the data line having the data or information. So control line. So what is control line? The control line having reading or writing data. Okay, so by using these three lines, we have to perform some functions. Okay, so actually the bus having three lines: address line, data line, and control line. These three lines are using for specific functions. Okay, so what is the purpose of bus? Actually, a bus is a communication system that transfers data between components inside a computer or between computers. Okay, so by using communication path, we have to transfer data from one unit to other unit like keyboard to processor or processor to main memory or main memory to output unit. Okay, so these are the different devices. So, so the data can be transferred from one unit to other unit through a communication line. Okay, so that is the purpose or advantage of bus. Okay, so there are two types of bus structures are available: single bus structure and multiple bus structure. Okay, single bus structure and multiple bus structure. So what is the advantage of single bus structure? So what is the advantage of multiple bus structure? We will see now. First of all, first of all, see there. So this is the single bus structure. So in that bus structure, different devices like input device, output unit, memory unit, processor unit. Okay, so these are the different units or different blocks. These blocks are connected to a common bus. Okay, so the data is transferred from one unit to other unit at a particular time. Okay, so 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 the bus is provides communication path between different devices. Okay, so the bus can be used for only one transfer at a time. Only two units can actively use the bus at any given time. So the bus control lines are used to arbitrate multiple requests for use of the bus. So the main virtue of the single bus structure is it is having low cost and its flexibility for attaching peripheral devices. Okay, so those are the advantage of single bus structure. So the single bus structure having low cost and flexibility for attaching peripheral devices. So systems that are contains multiple buses achieve more concurrency in operations by allowing two or more transfers to be carried out at the same time. Okay, so by using multiple bus structures, we have to transfers data, two or more transfers to be carried out at the same time. Okay, so by using multiple bus structures, it gives the better performance but but at an increased cost. Okay, so the advantage is it provides the high performance comparatively than the single bus structure, but cost wise it is expensive. Okay, so by using multiple bus structure, the cost is the cost is by using multiple bus structures, then the system having high cost. Okay, so that is the disadvantage of multiple bus structures. So this is the bus structure and different types of buses like single bus structure and multiple bus structures. Okay, thank you.